Hello, everyone. My name is Rosevine, and welcome to my channel.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah, I am. I'm here with...
Hey guys, hey, celebration!
Anyways, I just want to welcome everyone to my channel and just tell you guys what I'm going to be doing on this channel. So basically, this is mostly Animal Jam, but I will do other stuff like other games and some
like
other...
Stir Fry Stable.
Yes. Stir Fry Stables is, what's it called? I don't even remember.
It's actually called Star Stable.
Yeah, Star Stable.
Yeah, we like it. We like to call it Stir Fry Stable.
Yeah. Anyways, I don't have a schedule I will be posting, but that's why you should hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you know every time I upload a video and you don't miss any of my videos. Anyways, I'm here in my den. Okay, I will be uploading, sources tell me I will be uploading once a week.
You don't have to. That was just like a...
That's good. So, I don't know when I will in a week, but definitely once a week. And, yeah, I think that's basically
Summer's
it.
out. Summer's out,
What?
school's out.
I hope it's not out.
No, you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know what you mean. So if you want to see more of me
And me.
and her, yeah, if you want to see more of me, subscribe and you can be notified every time I post a video and you can get more of me. Anyways.
More of the amazing Rosevine Zero, who is actually a really kind and funny person. So, if you don't subscribe, you're rude.
Oh my word. Yeah. If you subscribe, then I will give you pie.
You get a free invisible pie sent right to your door.
Yes, you do. Anyways, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching and wasting, 3 minutes of your life on me. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Bye. How do I turn this off?